Montenegro is washed by the warm waters of the Adriatic Sea. The coastline stretches for 300 kilometers and 72 kilometers are beaches. We will tell you about just a few of them, starting with Sveti Stefan. The tiny island connected to the mainland by the sandbar is now a luxury resort destination. The Budvanian Riviera is a 35 kilometers long strip of the Adriatic coast surrounding the town of Budva. It is a major beach association in this part of the country. The picturesque mountain range frames the seashore, which is full of vegetation. Before us is Yas Beach, one of the longest, liveliest and trendiest beaches in all Montenegro. Madonna and the Rolling Stones performed here, and the popular Sea Dance Festival was held here for many years. Along with music lovers, Yas attracts fans of surfing, water skiing and other outdoor activities. We are flying towards the old Budva town. Old Budva is very compact. It is a true landmark of Mediterranean and Venetian architecture. Sveti Stefan is not just a peculiar island, it is also an important part of Montenegro's history. In the past, it was a fishing village, a fortification against Turkish and pirate raids, and a favorite vacation spot of the royal family. It became a resort when Montenegro was part of Yugoslavia. At the same time, a casino opened here. Among the most famous guests of Sveti Stefan were such celebrities as Elizabeth Taylor, Kirk Douglas, Sophia Loren, and Marilyn Monroe. Now you can also visit these legendary and very beautiful places.